Want that soft glam peachy glow just like the Ningning from aespa? I recreated her looks from flawless skin to the glossy lips. I'm showing you exactly how to do it. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. We're going to start from the base. I started with a primer to create a smooth base. It helps everything apply seamlessly. Then I used a skin tint for that light, breathable finish. I conceal my acne marks and under my eyes for a clean, fresh look, and then set everything in place with a setting powder. For brow, I use 24-hour brow setter to keep them in place. Then I contour my nose using a bronzer, starting from the brow and blending down. It gives that lifted effect Ningning often has. With the same brush, I softly added the depth to the eye crease. Next, I applied a peachy tone eyeshadow all over the lid and blended it out for a soft, diffuse look. I layer a shimmer shadow on the top for that glow, then highlighted the inner corners, the bridge of my nose and tip of my nose for that extra dimension. I did my liner off camera, then I used a brown shadow under my eyes to line that soft under eye line Ningning goes for instead of aguisail. It gives a more natural doll-like effect. Then I added mascara and highlighted my under eye area to brighten everything up. I highlight my brow bones. For the cheeks, I went with a light pink blush on the high points, contour my cheekbones for the subtle structure, and top it off with highlighter. Lips, I mix a chocolate brown lipstick with a Roman lip tint for that juicy, glossy finish she wears. And of course, I added a little beauty mark on my cheek to match her vibe. I did my hair off camera, but here I am trying to cut the front piece just like the Ningning does. And that's the final look. I had so much fun recreating this. Let me know in the comments what do you think and if you'd like to recreate this. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss more of these K-pop inspired looks. If you try this look, tag me. I'd love to see your versions.